All right, here's the newest addition to my shop. I just got done building this drill press fence with stops in it. Just a chunk of oak and a chunk of poplar in the back. Here was my old one. Yep, that was my old fence. Goodbye. And then hello to this. So just something basic. I made it so it would obviously goes back and forth, but it also can go further right and left. You're not locked in that one position because of the groove that I put in the back of it. So anyway, my newest build. So these are adjustable. And that should do it. So, hope you liked it.